Well, just because summer has come to an end, it doesn't mean we still can't enjoy our outdoor spaces for a while longer. Moore's DIY guy is here with some tips on building that new deck and how to make it waterproof as we head into the wetter seasons.
You know, deck projects can be a big can of worms. This one here, well, it started out being a much bigger can of worms than I had thought. This house was inspected, I had a bunch of dry rot, and in our weather, that means it's time to rebuild the deck, and so that's exactly what we did. Today, I've got some great new decking that's gonna be amazing, that's cool to walk on and waterproof, so I can have my outdoor kitchen. Let me show you how. Now, you know how much I love new technology. This deck board here, you know, composite decks, I love them for low maintenance. But the one problem they have compared to a wood deck is they're so much hotter. Now on a summer 80-degree day, this as a normal decking, if it was composite, could get to be 140 degrees. That'll take the skin off the bottom of your foot because it's so hot. The cool thing with this and its cool deck technology is it reflects that heat. So now this is a 90-degree surface, much cooler and enjoyable in the summertime, and you can stay out there all summer long without it being too hot. Now, I'm mixing in another product. This stuff is Dexerdry. It's brand new in the market. This stuff here actually goes in and creates a waterproof decking surface. So it snaps into the groove here, and that is now a seal between these two deck boards. Now, I can put an outdoor kitchen in beneath, and I've got a waterproof surface, and as long as I build this deck with a slope, it'll run off the end, and now I've got a covered patio below. That's a 2-for-1 solution. Now, the secret to this stuff is that you put this in this groove on the side, and then you actually have to compress the next board into it. So when that board comes together, this has to be under a tension to compress this together, and you've got a waterproof seal. Now, the little secret is on the end, you have to put a little kerf on the bottom of this because otherwise when the water comes off, it'll tension and grab around and come back under the board. That little kerf will keep that water from coming off, and you can control where it goes. And on mine, that's in a gutter system to keep the water away and not landing on my countertop down below. All right, this is the tool that you want to use for this. There's a couple different versions. This one's made by Stanley. This goes in and grabs the floor joist, and then what it does is this helps compress that board and gives you that even push with a one-handed operation so I can put the screws in. This is the key to making this project easy, and for about 50 bucks, it's a good thing to have in the tool shed because no matter what, you can bend a board and put in no matter what project you're working on. Now, the secret to using this product on a finished deck is you want to make sure you plan to give yourself a place for the water to go. So for me, I gave a 1/4 inch per foot slope, so when it rained, it had a place to go. That way it would run over into this drain system at the very end, go down into a gutter, and away from the house. That way, I didn't have any other place for it to go because of my railing system here. We wanted some privacy so we could sit up here and not look at everything on the ground. This created that, but I also had to create a place for the water to go, and that was my solution, so we have a waterproof place down below. All right, one secret, always make sure you consult your local building department, make sure you're following their rules, and then plan this project ahead from start to finish, and it'll go a lot more smoothly.
And you can catch Eric G's Around the House radio show from noon to 2 p.m. each Saturday on 860 The Answer.